Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we help you discover unique, stylish, and high-quality products for your living space. Today, we're taking a look at what might just be the best abstract canvas painting modern art on the market, the colorful abstract wall art decor by Youillne. Let's get into why this two-piece set could be the perfect addition to your home or workspace. When you first lay eyes on this artwork, you're greeted with an explosion of color and energy. These aren't your typical floral prints. Instead, they blend abstract art and modern floral themes in a way that's bold, vibrant, and effortlessly stylish. Each piece in the set measures 16 by 24 inches and comes unframed, giving you the flexibility to customize the framing to match your personal taste or interior design. Now let's talk quality. Youillne doesn't cut corners when it comes to print materials. These prints are created on 300 GSM thick natural canvas. That's a heavyweight material often used in gallery-level art. It's durable, has a strong texture, and offers excellent ink absorption, ensuring the colors remain vivid and defined over time. Add to that UV-resistant ink, and you've got a print that resists fading and maintains its brightness even in direct sunlight. From a design perspective, the artwork combines abstract line work and floral impressions with an impressive color palette. Think blues, pinks, oranges, and greens merging in layered harmony. It's abstract, yet distinctly floral, modern, but warm and inviting. Whether you're looking to enhance your living room, bedroom, office, or hallway, these prints are designed to elevate the mood and character of any space. These prints are also a great conversation starter. Their blend of simplicity and complexity invites viewers to interpret the artwork in their own way, adding a personal connection to the visual experience. And thanks to the unframed design, you have creative control over how to display them. Go with sleek black frames for a contemporary vibe, or rustic wooden frames for a more organic look. Youillne has also considered the customer experience. The packaging is secure and protective, reducing the chance of damage during shipping. And if you do run into any issues, their 24-hour customer service and 30-day money-back guarantee ensure you're covered. That's a reassuring touch, especially when ordering wall decor online. And let's not forget its versatility as a gift. Whether it's a housewarming, birthday, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or any celebration, this set makes a tasteful and thoughtful present. It's stylish, universally appealing, and easy to incorporate into most home decor themes, from minimalist and boho to eclectic and modern. So, if you're looking for abstract artwork that's vibrant, high quality, and adaptable to a variety of settings, this two-piece set by Youillne is definitely worth considering. It blends artistic flair with solid craftsmanship and brings a colorful sense of modern elegance to your walls. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful and want more in-depth looks at decor and lifestyle products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. See you next time.